Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ridenexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today, we're not just looking at an SUV. We're witnessing a beast unleashed. The all-new, aggressively customized Toyota Fortuner. Focus on the part of the car visible in the image. Pan to the side profile. Under the hood, while the standard Fortuner comes with a reliable 2.7-liter petrol or a powerful 2.8-liter turbodiesel engine producing up to 201 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque. Build this aggressive is likely, running a few performance enhancements. This could include a performance air intake, an EQ remap or tune, and a custom exhaust system to squeeze out extra power and deliver that aggressive exhaust note we mentioned earlier. It's a true blend of rugged 4x4 capability with sports car looks. In summary, this modified Toyota Fortuner is a masterclass in aggressive styling. The wide body kit, the custom wheels, and the sporty rear treatment take an already popular SUV and turn it into an exclusive road-dominating machine. It's a brilliant example of personalization done right. What do you think of this white Fortuner beast? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible car builds. Aggressive rear diffuser, custom taillights, dual exhaust, bolt-on fender flares, multi-spoke alloy wheels, rugged tires, 2.8L diesel, 201 HP, 500 Newton meters, or 2.7L petrol, ECU tune remap, performance exhaust.